Hi, I'm Laura Hamilton and I'm the president of Auburn's Whitewater Kayaking Club. This year for Tiger Giving Day, we are asking for funds to help send our members to competitions all over the Southeast.
Competitions give our members exposure to a new side of kayaking and an opportunity to improve their skills on the water.
But what is our club all about? Our club provides Auburn students and faculty with the opportunity to learn whitewater kayaking. We provide safe instructions from certified instructors in a safe pool environment and then transfer those skills to a river.
Hi, I'm Marielle Strohmeyer. I've been a part of the Whitewater Kayaking Club for about a year. I first joined, my friend invited me to come to paddle south with her. I had never had any kind of whitewater kayaking experience before, but it ended up being a great decision and I've been having fun with the club ever since. With the generosity of Tiger Giving Day, our club will be able to reach out to more people like me and get them to step out of their comfort zone in a super fun way.
So kayaking has changed my life completely. I played a lot of the regular sports, basketball, baseball, football, whatever it was, and then as soon as I started kayaking, it was a game changer. I started traveling all over the world. I've been a USA team athlete for 3 years consecutive, and I'm hoping to go back again this next year to go to Great Britain. I would love to represent Auburn University at a national level in these competitions. And also I think it would help grow the sport and our community here at Auburn.
As far as the group, it's a really tight group. I can tell that they honestly love the sport, so they're willing to teach anyone how to kayak. As long as I get enough practice in, you can compete, and that's going to better yourself as an athlete.
I feel like it's given me a good outlet as a graduate student to be able to pursue a new interest even later on in my college career. And it's taught me some new skills, and I've met plenty of great people in the club, and I've had a good time going out on the water.